If you ignore YouTube Shorts right now, you'll be left behind. And that's true. Keep watching to know why. Hey digital learners, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Rahul from learningdigitalwithrahul.com and I help digital creators like you turn your digital presence into profit using various digital marketing strategies. In today's video, you'll come to know about 5 reasons why you should start creating YouTube Shorts videos now. So without any further delay, let's get started. The first reason why you should start creating YouTube Shorts is it's easy to create. Yes, creating YouTube Shorts is easy. Unlike the long form YouTube videos, which many people find very tough to create as it requires lots of tasks starting from brainstorming video ideas, keyword research, recording the video, video editing, publishing, optimization, promotion, and even more. But when it comes to creating YouTube Shorts content, you just have to take your phone out of your pocket, open the camera app, and start creating short form vertical videos. And since it's going to be less than 60 seconds in duration, it's pretty easy to create. The second reason why you should start creating YouTube Shorts videos is it's cost effective. You don't need a huge budget for video marketing, as you can get started with YouTube Shorts content without any investment. For creating YouTube Shorts content, you don't need a professional DSLR camera, microphone, studio setup, and other fancy gear and equipment. Instead, you just need any smartphone that you might already have. Anyone having a smartphone can easily start creating YouTube Shorts videos right now. And since it's very cost effective, the barrier to entry is very low. The third reason why you should start creating YouTube Shorts content is YouTube algorithms are currently favoring YouTube Shorts content. And this is not a new thing. It happens with every social media platform out there. Usually, when a new feature is introduced, they want more and more people to try the new feature so that they may collect enough data to make changes and improve the beta feature to make it perfect. This is the reason why they tend to provide an advantage to those users who adopt the new features early. And that's exactly what is happening with YouTube Shorts at the moment. The fourth reason why you should start creating YouTube Shorts videos is it's easier to go viral. Currently, YouTube Shorts is not available for everyone, and even though it's available for many countries, many creators are not creating YouTube Shorts content at the moment. Due to lack of competition, it's easier to go viral with YouTube Shorts content. In fact, I have seen many creators having less than 500 subscribers have been able to get millions of views on their YouTube Shorts videos. So yes, it's certainly possible, but only if you are quick in taking action and you start now. And the fifth reason why you should start creating YouTube Shorts videos is you can make money with YouTube Shorts videos. Now, before you make any assumption, don't get me wrong here. Currently, monetization is not yet enabled for YouTube Shorts content, and ads are being shown only on the desktop traffic of YouTube Shorts videos. But I believe that the ability to monetize YouTube Shorts content is coming soon, because YouTube has already updated their terms of services recently, where they would start showing ads even on the YouTube videos of those channels that are not in the YouTube Partner Program. And I respect that decision, because after all, they are in the business to make money, right? Therefore, I'm quite sure they'll soon start showing ads on YouTube Shorts content as well. And that's when you'll have the ability to make money with your YouTube Shorts videos. So why not start creating now so that you already have the advantage to make money later? And by the way, even if they don't allow you, you can certainly take these short form vertical videos and upload on other similar platforms like Instagram Reels, which is already considering allowing ads for monetization. These are the 5 reasons why you should start creating YouTube Shorts videos. I have already created a step-by-step video to learn how to start creating YouTube Shorts as a beginner. Click on the card above to watch that. And if you're short on video topics and ideas, check out Bite-Size Content Vault for digital creators, where you'll find hundreds of micro-sized video ideas and content prompts to start creating micro content so that you may build a strong personal brand and profitable business. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions or need my help, drop a comment below and I'll try my best to help. In the meantime, keep watching these videos to keep learning and feel proud to be hashtag digital learner.